Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. I hope so you have started the shell scripting courses as per the previous agenda. So if you didn't start the courses, yes, go ahead and start those courses. So those are all the basic inputs. So for this, to start this agenda. Yeah, in this video, we are going to discuss that the day 16 agenda that is about how to overcome the fear of the programming. Yeah, we are not starting about the shell scripting, but before starting the shell scripting, so we need to know about it some principles, and we should know about it some kind of the terminologies about the programming. So if you know all those tips and tricks, then we can easily overcome the fear of the programming. But what are those tips and tricks? Yes, before starting those concepts, if you are following the learning path journey and if you think this is very helpful, then please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 16 agenda that is about how to overcome the fear of programming. Yeah, if you'd like to access this video, this today's agendas related video, yes, you can go to the forum links and then shell script agenda. Already in the previous agenda, which was discussed about start those courses. Yes, that is a prerequisite. Start those courses to access the remaining all these videos. But as per this agenda, that is day 16, scripting is before starting. Yeah, this is a video which is available. Yes, in this video, it has been clearly explained that so how to overcome the fear of the programming. Yes, if you click on this link, so the day 16, the agenda, which will be redirected to this forum link. And here, yes, we have only one video, which you can access this one. That is before scripting. That is heading actually. So this is almost the which we have this like 1 hour 40 minutes. But this is very, 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 very important video. So this is not, in this video, it is not explained about that shell scripting. But if you're going to learn this, there's a Python or the Java or yes, any programming that is a shell scripting or any kind of the scripting approaches or the programming approaches. So what are the main points that we need to consider? So what are like main the terminologies that we need to understand it for the programming? So those points, it has been clearly explained. So indirectly, that's we can say that. So this video is going to helpful that if you have this any fear of the programming, that is some people, yes, who are having the background of that administration activities. Maybe we don't get the chance of that working on the programming side, or if you are the manual tester, the moving into the DevOps, or you are from this non-IT background and you are trying to learn the DevOps. Yes, whatever the case that could be, if you have this the fear of the programming, so how to overcome that fear? So this video is going to helpful. So as a DevOps engineer, so in our CI/CD pipelines, we need to automate that the repetitive task, that is writing the scripts. Yes, those repetitive tasks, that's a manual which are performing, we need to automate it by implementing the scripts. But while implementing the scripts, that means you are providing the problem related solutions. So if you're going to provide those kind of the problems understanding and giving the solutions, the first of all, the what are like the way of the skills, the way of approaches that we need to have it to solve the problems. Yeah, problem, if you're able to understand it and if you're able to convert into that as statements, the writing about your own statements, yes, then half of the work done. The remaining is as per the programming related syntaxes and the statements which we need to use it during that implementation. But that analytical skills on the programming level, so what are the approaches that we have? That it has been clearly explained in this video. So don't miss this video. So if you're going to writing the shell scripting or Python programming, so this is the basic input for it. That's why we have given that the heading as a how to overcome the fear of the programming. So please go ahead and take this pen and paper and note it that all the points so which have been described. Yes, in the next videos also. Yes, the very important each and every video. So as automation engineer, if you would like to become that, so from the DevOps side, yes, this is the basic the input on this scripting side. So I hope so you will enjoy this video. Yes, go ahead and clearly, yes, the slowly study about it. I mean, the listen that carefully and write the take pen and paper and write the points and the review one more time. Once the video is over, then definitely you can make the successful of this journey on implementing the scripts as well as. Yeah, we'll see this in the next section. So that is about this one. And if you'd like to enroll to this course, yes, you can access the Residential Technologies link and go to the learning paths. And here we have given that is 100 days DevOps with AWS and Kubernetes program. So go to this course. And here you can register so to enroll to this course. But definitely this is going to helpful to become that from the basic to the master level on the DevOps with the AWS scripting approaches and container-based solutions. Yeah, that's all from this section. We'll see this in the next section. Thank you.